The plaza in New Braunfels is one of the most unique in the state of Texas, where typically the courthouse occupies the center of downtown and traffic flows in a traditional square pattern. To celebrate the 50th anniversary of the founding of New Braunfels, the fountain was added in 1895 with bells ringing, cannon salutes, barbecue, music, dancing, and fireworks. It's hard to imagine as we jet around the plaza in our cars made of steel, burning gasoline, but high curbs were integrated into the fountain design to keep citizens from using it to water their horses, which had become quite problematic. Horse spit doesn't make for a clean fountain. The bandstand, first called the Music Pavilion, was built in 1905 with public donations and no governmental support. During the early cotton boom in Comal County, the cotton market was held on the plaza with farmers bringing in their bales on horse-drawn wagons. Paved in 1918, the lanes around the main plaza accommodated two-way traffic for decades. It was changed to one-way in the 1950s. While a steady stream of traffic precludes its use much of the year, it's still a signature of parades and festivals downtown, such as the 4th of July celebration, and it's an icon of the city.